Alright, we're in the vet today. Going to try to figure something out with the exhaust. It's 31 degrees out. A little chilly. And the Corvette has got 0 turning radius, it seems like. So down. So anyways, just a little update that we're going to try to figure something out right now. So. You see, we got the X brace off. There. So I think for now, I'm just gonna cut right here, and unbolt the rest of this so this is still usable, because I want to just cut the resonator out and put pipes here, but they didn't have any in stock. But I actually am saving up for a cat back that's $1,000, so this needs tires first. This is to fix the rattling. So, and everything is pretty straightforward in this car, so it really, everything does just drop down. And this is right at some hangers too, so this will be nice and strong, won't be flopping around. Alright, we got the first start. It's inside, so it's going to be a lot louder than it would be outside, but we're going to try. Oh yeah. You want to see what I did? Not really. Just 2. I had to do 3-inch. I needed 2 3/4. Of course, they didn't have 2 3/4. I tried 2 1/2 and stretched it out, and I started splitting. So I just said, whatever. I'll do 3 and crush it down. This is just a temporary thing, anyways. I get a flashlight. I guess I could lift it back up, but it's right in the center of the car. 2 3-inch turn downs. I mean, it sounds killer, I think. I thought it was gonna be a lot louder, so I'm happy it's not.